Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurziladia Malatifa and I'm going to present my research proposal with the title is Improving English Vocabulary Recognitions Through Cooperative Learning Make a Match for Early Childhood Group B at TK Mawar Kemalu Abung in the academic year 2024-2025. The background of the problems. In today's global era, English has become a crucial skill for communications and access to information. Research shows that language learning is most effective when started at an early age. Cameron 21. However, many children in early childhood settings struggle with vocabulary recognitions due to uninspiring and repetitive teaching methods. At TK Mawar Kemalu Abung, initial observations revealed that group B students had limited vocabulary and were not enthusiastic about learning English. This indicates the need for an engaging, developmentally appropriate teaching methods like Make a Match, which integrates play and social interactions, both essential in early childhood learning. The research questions. The main research questions guiding this study is how can the implementations of the cooperative learning model using the Make a Match technique improve English vocabulary recognitions among early childhood group B students at TK Mawar Kemalu Abung in the academic year 2024-2025. These questions reflect the observed gap between current teaching practices and children's learning needs. The research objective. This study aims to identify the students' initial level of English vocabulary, implement the Make-a-Match strategy in vocabulary instructions, observe students' engagement, enthusiasm, and collaborations, evaluate improvements in vocabulary recognitions after the interventions, and the last is offer practical recommendations for implementing interactive learning model in early childhood English education. The benefits of research. The results of this study are expected to offer theoretical significance by contributing empirical evidence on vocabulary learning in early childhood using cooperative learning models. The benefit of practical significance for the teachers as a reference for adopting more creative and effective teaching strategies, for students to enjoy learning while improving vocabulary skills, for schools for integrating child-friendly curriculum-aligned English programs, for future researchers to inspire similar studies or refinements of this method in different contexts. The theoretical framework. The theoretical foundations of this study rest on Nations 21, 2001. Vocabulary is a core component of communicative competence. From Cameron 2001, young learners need contextualized, repetitive, and interactive vocabulary input. From Vygotsky 1978, social interactions is key in language development. And from Kagan 1994, cooperative learning, like Make a Match, fosters collaborations and active learning. This framework highlights that learning vocabulary is most effective when students engage physically, visually, and socially. The characteristic of early learners. To teach effectively, we must understand early childhood learning characteristics. They learn through play and explorations, not memorizations. They rely on concrete experience, visuals, and real objects. They have short attention spans. so lessons must be varied and engaging. Their learning is enhanced by imitations, repetitions, and emotional security, social interactions, and movement improve memory and language use. These traits strongly support the use of make-a-match as an effective method for vocabulary learning. Next, make-a-match method. Make-a-match is a cooperative strategy developed by Spencer Kagan, 1994. In this game-like method, students receive cards, either a word or a matching picture, and move around the room to find their partner. This approach supports kinesthetic learning, peer collaborations, vocabulary recognition through repetitions and interactions. Children don't just memorize words, they understand and use them through meaningful activity. This method aligns with early childhood learning needs. The conceptual framework. This framework combines the importance of vocabulary as a building block in language learning, the nature of early childhood development, and how children learn best through play, visuals, and movement. The structure of cooperative learning, especially make-a-match, which includes matching, discussing, and moving. Classroom action research is used to test, refine, and improve the strategy in real time. The goal is to create a learning environment that meets children's needs and fosters vocabulary development. The research methods. This is a classroom action research based on Camis and Amitagart's model involving planning. The planning, designing materials and lessons using make-a-match, and the acting, conducting vocabulary lessons using the method, and observing, collecting data on students' behavior and achievements, and reflecting, reviewing results and adjusting for improvement. This method allows teachers to become researchers and improve their own practice through reflective cycles. Subject and locations. This research will be conducted at TK Mawar Kemalo Abung, North Lampung, focusing on Group B, students aged 5-6 years old. There are 15 participants, in totally 8 boys and 7 girls. These students are appropriate subjects because they are in the ideal developmental stage for learning through movement, visuals, and peer interactions, key components of make-a-match. The data collections. To gain a comprehensive picture, 4 data collections methods will be used. The first, observations. In observations to assess participations and interactions. Second, the test. Pre-test and post-test to measure vocabulary recognition process. And the documentation, such as photo, videos, and student work. And field notes. Researchers' reflections on students' responses and any implementation challenges. Combining these instruments allows both qualitative and quantitative analysis of learning outcomes. Indicator of success. The research will be considered successful if at least 75% of students can recognize and pronounce 5 or more vocabulary items correctly. There is a clear increase from pre-test to post-test scores across cycles. Students show active engagements, enjoyments, and peer cooperations. Teachers reflect and improve their strategy effectively from cycle 1 to cycle 2. These indicators ensure that the interventions positively affects learning behavior and outcomes. Yes, conclusions. In conclusion, the make-a-match techniques when applied as part of a cooperative learning strategy is developmentally appropriate and effective for early childhood vocabulary learning. It encourages movement, social interactions, and enjoyment, making vocabulary learning meaningful. This study aims to demonstrate how classroom action research can bring real change to early childhood English education and support the goals of the Merdeka curriculum. Thank you. That's all my presentations. I think enough. Thank you for the attentions. I said wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.